मैं हवा की आवाज़ सुनकर ही समझ गया कि कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है। जस्ट बाय द साउंड ऑफ द विंड आई सेंस्ड समथिंग बिग वॉज अबाउट टू हैपन। जस्ट बाय द साउंड ऑफ द विंड आई सेंस्ड समथिंग बिग वॉज अबाउट टू हैपन। हवा चलने से सब कुछ उड़ उड़कर बिखर रहा है। एवरीथिंग इज फ्लाइंग एंड स्कैटरिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द विंड। एवरीथिंग इज फ्लाइंग एंड स्कैटरिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द विंड। उसने जबरदस्ती कब्जा करने की कोशिश की थी। ही ट्राइड टू टेक पोजेशन बाय फोर्स। ही ट्राइड टू टेक पोजेशन बाय फोर्स। कोर्ट ने उसके दावे को खारिज कर दिया है। द कोर्ट हैज़ डिसमिस्ड हिज क्लेम। द कोर्ट हैज़ डिसमिस्ड हिज क्लेम। पेड़ हवा में ऐसे झूम रहे हैं जैसे झगड़ रहे हो। The trees are swaying in the wind like they are arguing. The trees are swaying in the wind like they are arguing. संपत्ति के बंटवारे में उसका नाम तक नहीं था। His name wasn't even mentioned in the division of property. His name was not even mentioned in the division of property. His answers were very evasive. His answers were very evasive. उसका व्यवहार कुछ छुपाने वाला लग रहा था। His behavior felt like he was hiding something. His behavior felt like he was hiding something. वह कुछ बोल तो रहा था लेकिन मन कहीं और था। He was speaking, but his mind was elsewhere. He was speaking, but his mind was elsewhere. तुमने भी उसकी उदासी महसूस की। Did you notice his sadness too? Did you notice his sadness too? वह दिखा तो ठीक ठाक लेकिन अंदर से परेशान था। He looked fine, but seemed disturbed inside. He looked fine, but seemed disturbed inside. कुछ गलत है लेकिन वह मान नहीं रहा। Something is wrong, but he won't admit it. Something is wrong, but he will not admit it. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो दोबारा लौटेगा। I don't think he is coming back again. I don't think he is coming back again. इस बार हालात तुम्हारे हक में नहीं है। This time the odds are not in your favor. This time the odds are not in your favor. हर बार समझाने से कुछ नहीं होता। Explaining again and again doesn't help. Explaining again and again does not help. उसकी यादें अभी भी पीछा नहीं छोड़ती। Her memories still don't leave me. Her memories still don't leave me. तुम्हारा रवैया बहुत बदल गया है। Your attitude has changed a lot. Your attitude has changed a lot. इस बार मैं किसी पर भरोसा नहीं करूँगा। I won't trust anyone this time. I will not trust anyone this time. जो जाना चाहता है उसे जाने दो। Let the one who wants to leave go. Let the ones who wants to leave go. मेरे पास अब कहने को कुछ नहीं बचा। I have nothing left to say now. I have nothing left to say now. कभी कभी खुद से भी डर लगने लगता है। Sometimes I even fear myself. Sometimes I even fear myself. तुम जो करते हो उसका अंजाम नहीं सोचते। You never think about the consequences of your actions. You never think about the consequences of your actions. अब कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कौन क्या सोचता है. It doesn't matter anymore what people think. It doesn't matter anymore what people think. कई लोग कहते हैं कि आंख फड़कना किसी बात का संकेत है. Many say that eye twitching is a kind of sign. Many say that eye twitching is a kind of sign. वो तो छूने ही जा रहा था और हाथ से गिरा दिया. He was just about to grab it and dropped it. He was just about to grab it and dropped it. अपनी प्राथमिकताएं तय करो वरना सब हाथ से निकल जाएगा. Set your priorities or everything will slip away. Set your priorities or everything will slip away. हर बार चेतावनी देना अब थका देने वाला हो गया है. Giving you warnings every time is exhausting now. Giving you warnings every time is exhausting now. धूप में खड़े रहना बहादुरी नहीं है, मूर्खता है. Standing in the sun is not bravery, it's foolishness. Standing in the sun isn't bravery, it's foolishness. तुम्हारे जैसे लोगों के कारण ही हालात बिगड़ते हैं. It's because of people like you that things go wrong. It's because of people like you that things go wrong. कभी खुद से पूछो क्या तुम सही कर रहे हो. Ask yourself if you are doing the right thing. Ask yourself if you are doing the right thing. अब मुझे उसे दोबारा देने से डर लग रहा है. Now I am scared to hand it to him again. Now I am scared to hand it to him again. वो चाहता तो खुद भी कॉल कर सकता था. He could have called himself if he wanted to. He could have called himself if he wanted to. क्या कॉल करने से सब कुछ बदल जाएगा. Will everything change by calling? Will everything change by calling? तुम्हारी कॉल का इंतज़ार कर रही थी. She was waiting for your call. She was waiting for your call. फ़ोन पर सब ठीक नहीं समझाया जा सकता. Not everything can be explained over the phone. Not everything can be explained over the phone. क्या तुमने वॉइस मेल छोड़ा था. Did you leave a voicemail? Did you leave a voicemail? वो इस समय कॉल करने की स्थिति में नहीं है. He is not in a position to take calls right now. He is not in a position to take calls right now. तुम अंधविश्वासी नहीं हो फिर भी सोच में पड़ गए. You are not even superstitious. Yet you are overthinking it. You are not even superstitious, yet you are overthinking it. फ़ोन की वारंटी अभी ख़त्म भी नहीं हुई थी. The phone's warranty hadn't even expired yet. The phone's warranty had not even expired yet. कभी कभी तो आंख फड़कने से सिरदर्द भी होने लगता है. Sometimes eye twitching even leads to headaches. Sometimes eye twitching even leads to headaches. तुम्हारी झूठ ने सब कुछ बर्बाद कर दिया. Your lie ruined everything. Your lie ruined everything. मैंने जितना सोचा था मामला उससे कहीं ज़्यादा गंभीर निकला. It turned out to be more serious than I thought. It turned out to be more serious than I thought. वो तुम्हारी परेशानी से भी डरता है अब. He is even afraid of your shadow now. He is even afraid of your shadow now. कभी कभी रिश्तों में थोड़ी दूरी ज़रूरी होती है. Sometimes a little distance in relationships is necessary. Sometimes a little distance in relationships is necessary. तुम अपनी सुविधा के हिसाब से सब कुछ तय करते हो. You decide everything according to your convenience. You decide everything according to your convenience. ये बात अब दिल से निकलने में वक्त लगेगा. It will take time for this to leave my heart. It will take time for this to leave my heart. तुम्हारा व्यवहार मेरी समझ से बाहर है. Your behavior is beyond my understanding. Your behavior is beyond my understanding. क्या तुम में थोड़ी भी संवेदनशीलता नहीं है? Do you not have even a bit of empathy? Do you not even have a bit of empathy? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो, मैं खुद से बात करना चाहता हूँ. Leave me alone, I want to talk to myself. Leave me alone, I want to talk to myself. तुमने जो कहा वह अब भी मेरे कानों में गूंज रहा है. What you said still echoes in my ears. What you said still echoes in my ears. सिर्फ शब्दों से किसी का दिल नहीं जीता जा सकता. You can't win someone's heart with just words. You can't win someone's heart with just words. तुमने जो किया उसकी भरपाई मुश्किल है. What you did is hard to make up for. What you did is hard to make up for. अब ये सब बर्दाश्त से बाहर हो चुका है. This is beyond tolerance now. This is beyond tolerance now. तुम्हारे बिना भी सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है. Everything is fine even without you. Everything is fine even without you. अब कोई उम्मीद नहीं बची है. There's no hope left now. There is no hope left now. हर बार माफ करना आसान नहीं होता. Forgiving every time isn't easy. Forgiving every time is not easy. तुमने मेरी चुप्पी को मेरी कमजोरी समझा. You mistook my silence for weakness. You mistook my silence for weakness. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. If you like this video and learn something new from this video or this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.